Shut up and sit down.
So it is 7:20 in the morning and I am all packed up and ready to go. I'll have one more night out here and 2 more days. Been out here a while. This is day 10, I believe. Something like that, day 9 or day 10. And it's almost done. It was a beautiful ride. Still going to be a beautiful ride. I still got 2 more days, but I've had fun. This is the lock I camped at, and it is by far the coolest lock I've seen so far. It's a dam and a waterfall. I'm assuming they got some kind of hydroelectric power going on there too. But it's a wide portion of river or canal, and they've got the whole thing controlled all the way across, and then they've got the little lock on this side, which I think is really cool. I like tunnels. Tunnels are fun. I like the echo. I guess that's why people sing and scream when they go through them, because of the cool tinny sounding echo. Starting the day out with my knees already hurting, and I got a long way to ride. Nice little village. So I've got 40 miles to go, and Google thinks I should be there in 3 hours and 18 minutes. And to that, all I got to say is, Google, you don't know me too well. It's gonna take me a long time.
Dreaming of that, lost in the moment now. Nary a care for the day, afloat as Whitman might say. My legs carry me on. My mind adrift relieves them, and beauty and joy I hold in the moments that lie between them.
What's your name?
Paul.
Paul? Paul the cycling poet. I like that. So, cyclists, we have this entire portion of this road all to ourselves. No motor vehicles. We got our own bridge. Wonder how this happened. Apparently it used to be like a 2-lane road or 4-lane road, 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Kind of cool actually. Home bridge all to myself. Looks like a sign has been ripped off. Warning. Ticks found in this area may cause Lyme disease and other tick-borne diseases. To avoid bites, consider using insect repellent. Follow labeled blah 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 blah. Be tick-free. Freaky. Yep. Ticks are bad news. I'm just gonna lean this sign up against here. I was kind of hoping it was an Erie Canal sign. I would have swiped it. Right. Give them wide berth. Hello. Sorry, was I going too fast?
No, they look for some reason like that, and the strollers you jog behind. Just hop off real quick. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Or somebody gets thrown off. I don't know what it is about them. Bicycles, everything they're fine with.
Probably because they're used to seeing them.
Yeah, that's just something different.
Bye. Oh. Alright. Sorry. No problem. Well, that was interesting, if not a little scary. For a moment I thought she was going to get thrown, but I think she handled it pretty well, so did he. I guess the horses aren't used to seeing trikes. It's something new, something different, and even though I wasn't going fast, I was trying to go slow by them, they still got spooked. So, but yeah, those are the first horses I've seen on the trail. I know it's a multi-use trail, walkers, strollers, rather people walking, people with strollers, cyclists, and yes, horseback riding. And in the winter, in large portions of it, they allow snow machines. But yeah, it's the first horses I've seen on the actual trail. So that was pretty cool. And there's a large grassy side here, which is perfect for them. I mean, you got the trail, and then you got all this grass. But if they're shoed, they can go on this no problem. I think these are pretty cool stone markers. You see them every now and then along the trail. They're not every mile or anything, but and they don't seem to be spaced out evenly, but they're here to mark something. I'm sure the mileage of the canal, of the trail.
The skies are cold and gray. The storm is on its way. The flat horizon, leafless trees, there's nothing far as you can see out here. You shiver like a wave. Your snow boots soles are chafed. You left your heart in paradise. You left it all to roll the dice with me.
Okay, boys and girls, do not try this at home. If you're having a hard time getting a fire started, this is a workable way of doing it, if not a dangerous way. Let's see if that lights.
Get up there, gal, we've passed that lock. We'll make room for 6 o'clock. So one more trip and then we'll go right straight back to Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, you got the finest mule in town. Once a man named Mike McGinty tried to put it over Sal. Now he's way down at the bottom of the Erie Canal. Oh, where would I be if I lost my pal? 15 years on the Erie Canal. Oh, I'd like to see the mule as good as Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. A friend of mine once got a sore. Now he's got a broken jaw. 'Cause she let fly with her iron toe and kicked him into Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, you got the finest mule in town. If you're looking round for trouble, better stay away from Sal. She's the only fighting donkey on the Erie Canal. I don't have to call when I want my Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. She trots from her stall like a good old gal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. I eat my meals with Sal each day. I eat beef and she eats hay. She ain't so slow if you want to know. She puts the buff in Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, you got the finest mule in town. Eats a bale of hay for dinner and on top of that for Sal. Tries to drink up all the water in the Erie Canal.